Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr 7D, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I do want to quickly just say that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. Maybe your kid set it up, doesn't really matter. Now, apart from that, when you do this kind of reset in order specifically to get rid of a screen lock, it will most likely result in your device becoming FRP locked. And this means that when the reset is finished and you go into the setup process, at one moment the phone will force you to connect to Wi-Fi network, and once you have done so, it will then tell you that you need to verify either the previously used screen lock that you reset the device to get rid of, or the Google account that was signed in on the device before the reset. Now, this only happens when you had both screen lock and Google account. If you only had, for instance, screen lock but no Google account, this won't happen. Anyway, so I don't actually have a screen lock right here, but the process doesn't really matter. What you're gonna do is swipe down from the top, click on the power button, and then select power off. Or I think you also can do this by clicking power button and volume up and then selecting power off. Once the device turned off, you can then hold power button and volume down, if I remember correctly. Can first try volume down. And it is. When you see this mode, you can let go of both of the buttons, and then using volume buttons, you want to have a recovery mode visible right here, like so, and then confirm it with the power button. Now, before we get to the actual recovery mode that we've selected, we're first gonna get this. Come on. This. There we go. So when you see this, hold power button, and while holding, you're gonna press volume up once, like so. And this then takes us to the recovery mode. Now, in here, using volume buttons, you can navigate through the options, and with that in mind, we're gonna start scrolling down till we select wipe data factory reset. When it's selected, press the power button to confirm it and select factory data reset. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data, and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power button once more, and this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now, this will take about a minute or so to finish up, and when it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.